If you want to connect LinkedIn on Zapier quickly and without confusion, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the full setup step by step so you can connect your LinkedIn account and start using it inside your Zapier automations. This is useful if you want to streamline your workflow, organize app connections, or prepare your account for automation. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go to Zapier in your browser and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the main Zapier page, look for the App Connections section. This is where Zapier keeps all of the apps and services connected to your account. Click on App Connections to open your connection dashboard. From there, you'll want to click Create Connection. This tells Zapier that you want to add a brand new app connection. Now, a search box will appear, and here you should type LinkedIn. Make sure you spell it correctly so Zapier can find the right app. As soon as LinkedIn appears in the results, click on it to continue. After that, Zapier will take you to the connection step for LinkedIn. Here, click Add Connection. This is the part where Zapier starts the process of linking your accounts together. If a login window appears, just sign in with the email and password associated with your LinkedIn account. In some cases, you may also be asked to authorize access or confirm your identity, depending on your account setup. Go ahead and complete any prompts that appear on the screen. Once you approve the connection, Zapier will finish linking LinkedIn to your account. At that point, the app should be ready to use inside your Zaps and workflows. You can now move on to creating automations that use LinkedIn as a connected app. If you ever need to check the connection later, you can always come back to App Connections inside Zapier and manage it from there. And that's it. You've successfully connected LinkedIn on Zapier. It's a simple process, but once it's set up, it can save you a lot of time when building automations. If this video helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.